Hi, this video is the before and after hair transplant restorations on a black female who had a surgery done for me. Nomi is kind enough to allow me to show her full face, and she's going to share her experience. This is a year follow-up. We did the 4-month follow-up already. Now this is a full year, and just to show the audience what she looked like before. She had 3 surgery done, and it still gave her like a black man hairline, and it's still not very dense and not natural. And one time with me, you can see her beauty comes out. And really, I didn't do anything in terms of, all I did was just recreate the real feminine hairline for her, and then they actually bring out her beauty. So, Nomi, go ahead and share your experience.
So the way I found Dr. John Diep was through a friend in Los Angeles, and I was hesitant to work with him at first because I was disappointed with my first hair transplant graft years ago, and then a scalp advancement, a couple scalp advancement. It leaves the hairline looking unnatural, and there's a scar that is very obvious. So, and I wanted
that wasn't done by me, right?
No, that was not done by you.
Okay, great.
That was not done by you. So
Right.
my goal was to have a more feminine hairline and to hide the scar. And I gave Dr. John Diep a try, and I'm extremely happy with the result. It's incredible what it does. It softens the face, it disappears any trace of masculine appearance. The hair looks natural, it grows. In 1 year, it completely grows in, and no one can ever say you've had hair transplant. So I'm extremely happy with it, and as I said to him many times before, I will advocate for him anytime that he needs me to. His work is that incredible, and I think you'll be very happy with the result as well. So this is my story.
Thank you, Nomi, for the kind word. And again, I would like to emphasize that not every clinic are the same, and not every surgeon are the same. And unfortunately, what the previous one she did, they were good surgeon, but the main focus was just to have a hair transplant, just to have, for her to have it. But they didn't really focus on the artistry behind it. And if you have a passion and in recreating the natural hairline, you have to create the hairline that's natural for each individual, not just whether a man or woman, but you have to create for a hairline for each ethnicity specifically in each individual facial structure. And what I did for Nomi was really, again, because of her beauty, actually she really enhanced my work. She already had the natural beauty. All I did was just create the hairline, the feminine hairline that fit her face, and from there it really brings out her face, her eyes, her nose, and her overall feature. And again, this a patient like her really bring a lot of joy to me. Not monetary wise we do well, but the focus, the main focus is on that if you can make a difference in a person's life, both physically and emotionally, that's bring quite a bit of joy to me. And there's no better than just seeing the real pictures alive, and she allowed me to show that. For the artists who want to know more of my work, just go on YouTube, type of